Have you ever stepped off a plane, checked the time, and thought, wait, what time is it even? If you've ever felt completely exhausted, disoriented, or wide awake at 3 a.m. after a long flight, you've probably experienced jet lag. But don't worry, in this video, we'll share 7 effective tips to overcome jet lag so you can make the most of your travels. The first step to fighting jet lag starts before you even leave. About 3 days before your trip, gradually shift your sleep schedule to match your destination's time zone. Traveling east, sleep and wake earlier. Traveling west, sleep and wake later. For example, if you are going to a time zone 3 hours ahead of your time zone and your regular sleep schedule is 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. 3 days before your flight, go to bed at 9 p.m. and set your alarm to 5 a.m. 2 days before your flight, go to bed at 8:30 p.m. and set your alarm to 5 a.m. The day before your flight, go to bed at 8 p.m. and set your alarm to 5 a.m. This small change helps your body start adjusting before you even land. 2. Stay hydrated and avoid caffeine and alcohol. Next, drink plenty of water before, during, and after your flight. Dehydration makes jet lag worse, and caffeine or alcohol can mess with your sleep. Instead, opt for water or herbal tea to keep your body hydrated and help it adjust faster. 3. Get sunlight at your destination. Sunlight is your best friend when adjusting to a new time zone. Your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm is regulated by light. Arrive in the morning, go outside, soak in the sunlight, and stay active. Arrive at night, avoid bright screens, and get ready for bed. This tells your body when to be awake and when to sleep. 4. Avoid long naps. We get it. Traveling is exhausting, but taking a long nap after landing can mess up your sleep schedule. If you must nap, keep it under 30 minutes to recharge without disrupting your new schedule. 5. Move your body and stay active. Sitting for hours on a plane can leave you feeling stiff and sluggish. So, once you arrive, get moving. Take a brisk walk. Do some light stretching. Try a short yoga session. This helps improve circulation and resets your internal clock faster. 6. Eat at local mealtimes. Your body also relies on mealtimes to regulate itself, so start eating on your destination schedule, even if you're not hungry yet. This helps your body adapt and reduces the effects of jet lag. 7. Sleep at local bedtime. Finally, resist the urge to crash early or stay up late. Go to bed at the local time, even if you're not tired. The first night is the hardest, but this trick helps you reset your sleep cycle much faster. So, let's recap. To beat jet lag, remember to 1. Adjust your sleep schedule before travel. 2. Stay hydrated and skip caffeine and alcohol. 3. Get plenty of sunlight at your destination. 4. Avoid long naps. 5. Stay active and move your body. 6. Eat at local meal times. 7. Sleep at the local bedtime. Follow these tips and you'll be well rested and ready to explore in no time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and let us know your favorite jet lag remedies in the comments below. Safe travels.